Okay, this is my design to stop the oil leak, oil from going into the Gulf. This is your blowout preventers right here. The first thing you have to do is figure out how wide your blowout preventers is. BP knows how wide they are. So what you do is you get your pipe 48 inch or 96 inch, whatever, and then you weld it all the way to the top. You reduce it down to 36 or 48 inch, down to 30 to 36 inch, and to whatever size they want to drive the pipe. They drive pipe every day out in the Gulf. So you weld a plate right here to stop the fluid from coming out your pipe. You got two 12-inch vent lines here to take your product and put it into your super tankers or barges, whatever they're putting in. You can put a pressure gauge on it right here to see how much pressure you have on your pipe. And what you do is when you get it lowered over, pretty close to that, you open your two 12-inch vent lines. That goes off into your barges. And after you do that, then you can take and lower your pipe below the well. The sheer weight of this pipe will probably push it down 100, 150, 200 feet down. Then if your engineers decide that's not good enough, then you use a hammer process, which they do every day in the Gulf, and you start hammering your pipe down till you get it down to bedrock. Well, all the time that you're doing this, driving it down, you have your two vent lines open, you're losing no product into the water. And here's your pressure gauge. If you decide that the pipe is strong enough to hold the pressure, which this pipe, all this pipe here is 3/4 inch thick wall, it'll hold a tremendous bunch of pressure. So you have your pressure gauge there. You have your two 12-inch lines. You have 4 or 5-inch pipe coming out of your weld head. So that pressure that's coming up, these two 12-inch vent lines completely take care of the pressure that's coming out. Now you've got your situation up above the water. This is your surface water line. Now you can work it any way you want to do it. The main thing is if you stop this well from spewing oil into the Gulf, this process would probably take maybe a week. There's plenty of this pipe all over along the Gulf Coast. They can pick it up by thousands of feet. If they use this process, this will stop this oil well leaking into the Gulf. If you're anyone interested in more detailed description of this, I can be contacted.